Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to purchase a ticket for So Magical Expo on our new website here. As you can see, we're on the home page, sewmagicalexpo.com. You can always hit the logo button and it'll always take you back to the home page, as well as hitting the actual home button. In the process of purchasing anything on the website, you're now required to have an account. So if you don't have an account, please, ahead of purchasing your ticket, especially when the tickets first open, please register an account ahead of time. So you're just going to go ahead and pop in an email address here. It will send you an email with a password reset, so that way you can customize your password yourself. And then here's what your account will look like. You're going to go ahead and hit buy tickets. You can hit it down here, up here, or under shop. Go ahead and click that. As you can see here, we've got Florida tickets, which are the bubble ones for 2022. And then the boot pattern here is actually our 23 Texas tickets. So as you scroll down, you can see the different ticket types. As you can see here, they say protected for Texas because these are not open to the public until June 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, they will become open to the public. VIP Plus and VIP tickets are both capped. As you can see, Florida did sell out. So let's say I am a Patreon member and I have early access. I can go here and select options. I'm going to have to put in my password that I was given, hit enter, and then you can go in here. Nope. Then you can go in here and you can see the details about the ticket. You see the image here. The ticket types are adult or child, ages 18 to 17. And then for all VIP passes, you're required to let me know your shirt size. It is a unisex shirt. Just let me know that shirt size. So you're going to click your ticket type. You're going to click your shirt size. And you can read the different policies, media, refund, notes about children, all that fun things. And you can scroll down and see what the cost is. If you add more than one to your cart, I do need 2 names associated with those tickets. We highly suggest that unless you are wanting to keep and own the management of classes for you and additional person, that you keep them on the same account. If you do not want to sign that person up for their classes, please have them buy their tickets separately and on their own under their own account. After I've selected what I want, I'm going to hit add to cart. It's going to load here. And now it just shows me this again. So if I wanted to add another item, let's say I wanted a VIP child one, I'll just go and hit that shop button, hit select VIP. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit a child. Let's say they're a child large. I'm going to go to add to cart. As you can see here, there's my little cart button, my account. I'm going to hit my little cart. It says I have 2 items in here. I have my VIP Plus and my VIP. Wonderful. If you do have a coupon, you can load it in here and hit apply coupon, and that will lower the amount here. If you decide to increase or decrease this at all, you have to do so and then hit update cart, and then it will load in that new price. At this point, you're going to go to proceed to checkout. And here is another way you can add in a coupon code if you forgot in the last step. You're going to enter the billing details here. Down here under additional information, you're going to see ticket holder names. This is where you're going to go fill in those names associated with the ticket. So if it's 2 adult tickets, adult child, whatever the combination is, please list the names and the tickets that they are associated with. If the VIP, VIP Plus, if they're all the same ticket type, don't worry about that, just load in the names. Then you can put any notes, order notes in here that you need. If you need any ADA assistance, anything along those lines, feel free to please add that in so I am aware. Then down here you can go, and we have a lot of options for you to check out with. You can choose PayPal. Stripe is where you can do your different credit cards. We do Visa, MasterCard, American Express. We do them all. Then you also have the option to click Klarna or Afterpay, and these are options that allow you to break down your payment and pay over time. They are subject to approval. go ahead and check that out in advance. Try to set up a Klarna or Afterpay account in advance if you don't already have one, if you would like that option of breaking your payment down. Down here, this is already checked, so if you're already on the email list, you can uncheck it. You can leave it checked. That is totally up to you. And then you're just going to go through and you're going to, if you choose Stripe, it's going to ask you to input your credit card information here. You can even save it to your account if you'd like. And then you're just going to go down here and hit pay via whatever option you chose. And that will be it. And you will be fully checked out and ready with your new tickets. I hope this helps. And I hope everybody has a wonderful time at any of the So Magical Expo or events that you choose this coming year. Thank you.